Hello, welcome to the installation tutorial for your BIODY on your Windows or Mac computer. First, let's start with a reminder of how your device works. The applications paired with BIODY impedance meters require internet access for analyzing the measurements. The operation is as follows. The patient performs the measurement, and then the impedance meter sends the data via Bluetooth to a terminal. Let's now move on to the installation of your device. Part 1. Prerequisites. This section covers the initial settings required in your browser and Bluetooth pairing. The Bluetooth pairing process is the only part that differs between Windows and Mac, so please watch only the part that pertains to your device. Let's start with Mac users. Later in the video, during the measurement synchronization, a pop-up will appear, and you will simply need to validate it. And for Windows users, here's how to proceed. First, check for the presence of an enabled internal Bluetooth component in your PC. If not, connect the adapter provided in the box. Then, at the bottom right, click on the small arrow. Click on the Bluetooth logo and click on Add Bluetooth Device. Scroll down to the Bluetooth Device Discovery tab. Set it to Advanced. Then go back up and don't forget to turn on your device and double-click to activate Bluetooth.
Bluetooth communication enabled.
Now you can press the button Add Device and add your detected BX3 device. Now, let's return to the common tutorial for each computer. First, please use the Google Chrome browser. If you don't have it, please download it from www.google.com Chrome. Open Google Chrome and go to the address bar at the top of the browser. Type Chrome, flags into Chrome's address bar and press Enter. Use the search bar to find Experimental Web Platform Features. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and choose Enabled. Do the same for Use the new permissions backend for Web Bluetooth. And choose Enabled. Restart Chrome for the changes to take effect. Part 2. Account Creation and License Activation. Here, you will learn how to create your user account and activate the software license that enables your impedance meter to function. Go to www.biodymanager.com, the online platform where you can activate your license and create your professional user account. This tutorial is conducted in English interface. The online platform will be directly set in your language. If not, you have the option to choose your language here. Create your user account. Enter the license key and device number. Find the license key and device number inside the envelope in your BIODY box. Enter the license key and device number. Do not confuse the letter O and the number 0, which is crossed out. Otherwise, your license key will be invalid. Provide the required information such as your contact details. Enter your email address and create your password. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. If you can't find the confirmation email, try checking your spam folder and other tabs. Log in and access the dashboard. Part 3. Measurement Taking and Data Transfer. In this final section, we will detail the steps for creating a patient file, taking measurements, and displaying the results. From the BIODYmanager.com website, click on the New Patient option to create a new profile. Enter the mandatory personal information of the patient marked with an asterisk. Make sure to enter the height accurately for precise measurements and effective monitoring. Once all the information is entered and verified, click on the Save Patient and Sync Measurement button. Finally, add the precise weight, and wait until the measurement is taken before clicking on the Sync Measurement button. How to take a measurement. Make sure that the electrodes of the device are moistened. Slightly moisten your right hand and right heel. This will ensure better conductivity and more accurate measurements. Turn on your device before taking the measurement. Place 2 to 3 fingers on the back electrode and place your thumb on the front electrode. Keep your back straight during the measurement. Bend your leg and lift your heel. Position the device under your malleoli. Make sure your legs are spread apart.
Don't move anymore. The measurement is going to start. The measurement is finished.
Bluetooth communication enabled.
You can now sync the measurement and see the results. When the measurement is complete, the device indicates that it is ready to pair via Bluetooth.
Bluetooth communication enabled.
You have 1 minute to proceed with the measurement. Otherwise, your measurement is saved in the device. To retrieve it, turn the device back on and
Your device contains unsynchronized measurements.
press the power button twice to reactivate Bluetooth and transmit the data.
Bluetooth communication enabled.
You should then click on the Synchronize Measurement button. Google Chrome will prompt you to pair your BIODY device. Validate the request. Once the measurement is transferred, you can click on View the Results. Congratulations! You've unlocked your BIODY's potential.